With cold weather comes this, a warm, cozy fire in the wood stove. But all too often, the cold weather also brings with it a rash of fires when portable space heaters are pulled from the closet.
And they don't think of any of the consequences behind using those on a daily basis.
For those with a wood stove or burned wood in your fireplace.
And right now, before it does get too cold, is setting up a company to come out and clean your chimneys to get the creosote buildup that's in those chimneys out.
If you'd like a space heater to take the chill off, there is a lot to remember, including where to and where not to place it.
They'll place them right up next to their bed, next to the sofa, around blankets. That's not the best place to place them. They should be at least 3 foot away from anything combustible.
In this living room,
so this type of heater, obviously you have a big rug in this room, you have furniture, you got play toys. In this type of room, it wouldn't hurt to have it over here on the hard floor.
Extension cords are a big no for space heaters. And when it comes to electric blankets or heating pads,
the cords may be running down through the furniture, like this one is here. When it's in use, yes, it's safe to have plugged in, but when you're not using it, make sure you unplug it.
In terms of protecting yourself and your family, every home should have at least one of these.
Any type of fire extinguisher is going to be key in keeping the fire from taking off too fast.
If you already have one, you may be surprised to learn fire extinguishers have expiration dates.
If it's old, replace it. We don't want to find out it's not working when we're in need of putting out the fire.
And these are simple to use.
These you pull a pin, these you just simply pop the cap off, point and spray.
But what may be the most important tip for any time of the year is having a working smoke detector.
This weekend is the time we adjust our clocks, and it's always a good time to change out your batteries and all of your smoke detectors in your house.
If you don't have a smoke detector or yours is not working, you can call the fire department where you live and request one. In most cases, they are free of charge, and the fire department will come and install it. It's one phone call that could save yours and your family's life. In Colonial Heights, Wayne Koval, CBS 6 News.